In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook group on Facebook. Creating a group on Facebook is a fantastic way to foster community engagement around a shared interest, whether it's a hobby, a professional network, or anything else that brings people together. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Within this menu, locate the option labeled Groupses and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Groups page where you can explore existing groups or manage those you're already a part of. Now it's time to create a new group. Look for the Create New Groups button, which is usually prominently displayed on the Groups page. Clicking on this button will open a new window or page where you'll be prompted to start setting up your group's information. This is where you can unleash your creativity and start building your community. The first thing you'll want to do is type in a name for your group. Choose something descriptive that clearly conveys the purpose or theme of the group. A well-chosen name can attract more members and make your group easier to find. After naming your group, the next step is to decide on its privacy settings. Facebook gives you a couple of options here. You can make your group public, which means anyone can find it and see who's in it, or you can opt for a private group, where only members can see who's in the group and what they post. Consider the purpose of your group when making this decision. If it's meant for a close community or a specific audience, a private setting might be best. On the other hand, if you want to reach a broader audience, a public setting could be the way to go. Once you've selected the privacy setting, you can start inviting friends who you think would be interested in joining. This is a great way to kickstart your group's activity and get conversations going. You can invite friends directly from this setup window, or you can share a link to your group later on. At this stage, you'll be able to preview your group to make sure everything looks just right. This preview will show you how your group will appear to members and help you catch any last-minute changes before making it live. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the settings and information, click on the Create button to officially set up your group. Congratulations, you've just created a Facebook group. From here, you can start posting content, engaging with your members, and growing your community. Remember, the success of your group will depend on how active and engaging you can make it, so don't hesitate to interact and encourage participation. Thanks for watching, and happy group managing!